Qualification match 17. Let's get this thing started in 3, 2, 1, go!
Here we go. Autonomous period. Wave Robotics flies out into that neutral zone, scooping up some fuel and firing it up into the active blue hub. As their partners, the Teutonic Force, try to pick up fuel from the depot, now spinning their robot back towards the blue hub. Up, 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 and in, scoring a few more. However, Red Alliance is going to take the advantage here. The Appleton machine flying out into that big pile of fuel, but quickly facing defense from the South Milwaukee Rocket Robotics. Blue is active first. Wave Robotics taking aim, firing in. Now back out into the neutral zone. Drivers have to take care. These fuel like to collect on the backsides of these bumps, and robots can get beached on top of them if they are not careful. Here comes Teutonic Force, shooting some fuel sky high into the blue hub. They've pulled within 8 of Red, but over on the Red Alliance, fuel is pouring in there from the Appleton machine and their partners out of Freedom. 1091 trying to get in on the scoring action, shooting them high, a little short of that red hub. They're going to recalculate and try once more. 93 continuing to score fuel up and in. Might have a fuel wedged in their bumpers, but that's not going to stop them. Back to blue, 1091 making their way over, maybe taking a defensive position against Wave Robotics, but that differential turret staying locked onto the hub, shooting a little bit off as their partners, the Teutonic Force, shooting from way downtown. Trying to make the most of the blue active period. Red is back active. There goes 93, up and in, 2 balls at a time coming out of that robot as they look to scoop up some more. Rocket Robotics playing some tough defense. Defense is a pretty effective strategy here in Rebuilt. Trying to knock some of these teams off their mark while scoring if they don't have a turret to stay locked on, or just preventing teams from traversing around the field when needed. Another stream of fuel coming from the Appleton robot as we are at 20 seconds left in this match. Red has surpassed the threshold for earning that energized rank point. Wave Robotics has a ton of fuel over in the blue corner, trying to take advantage, now driving back to the neutral zone. A lot of robots over in the red zone with 5 seconds left. Have to be careful not to get any penalties for that protected tower as this qualification match is over.